Hello, lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Mariam here. Today we are making one pan stir fry spaghetti. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done that. These are the vegetables that I'll be using. I have here green pepper, onions, and then carrots. Okay, so these are the three vegetables that I'll be using. I got my pan on fire. I pour in water, not too much, okay, just a little. Add salt to it and then stir to dissolve the salt and then allow it to boil. So as soon as it starts to boil, then you add your spaghetti to it. I recently made a video on how to make one pan stir fried noodles, and then under that video somebody asked me a question: can I make my one pan stir fried spaghetti like this? And the answer is yes. It's the same method, but I want to demonstrate for her to see. So I then add oil to it and give it a gentle stir. Spaghetti doesn't want too much stirring, okay? So just a gentle one. So then go ahead and cover it till the water dries up. So guys, let's check. It's going to stuck on each other though, but because of the oil we added, as soon as you stir, it's going to separate from each other very easily. Okay, you see that? It's still hard for me, so I'm going to add a little bit of water and then cover it to cook on low heat till the water dries up. I'll be using 2 eggs for this recipe, and that is going to be my protein. You can use any protein of your choice, okay? So I then add salt to it and then beat it with my fork. Alright then, let's check on our spaghetti. Oh nice, now you can see that the water has dried up just the way I want it. So guys, I'm going to gather all at one side. So I then add a little bit of oil. We are going to scramble some eggs. So I add the egg to it. Alright, let's scramble. Okay, nice one. So I then gather all at one side. So I add a little bit of oil again. Add all my vegetables to it. We are going to toast the vegetables for about 2 minutes. So lovely, so I then sprinkle some salt on it. Okay, nice one. So I'm gonna mix all together. Alright then, now I add my seasoning powder. Add my chili pepper. If you don't like chili, please don't add it. If you like it, to add to your taste. So add a little bit of soy sauce and then stir this for about 5 minutes, okay? This is another simple way of making stir-fry spaghetti. Very easy, less time consuming. And this is also another popular street food in Ghana here. Alright, there we are done. So I'm gonna transfer that into my plate. Hello lovelies, our one pan stir fry spaghetti is ready. Now let's have a taste. And I am the judge. I'm the cook and at the same time the judge. Oh wow, very yummy and hot. So my good friend who asked me the question, I hope you watch this video. It's the same method. You can also make your stir fry spaghetti using that same method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and give your girl a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed and much love. Bye.